Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 13. Another time where I haven't had to look at my phone or anything to know what day it is. It's Friday the 13th. Surely we shouldn't order that in December, right? Surely. Does anyone else generally have bad experiences when it comes to Friday the 13th? Because I'm not an overly suspicious, not one of them either, overly superstitious person, but like there are things that I do believe in, and like the whole Friday the 13th of my experiences that I've had in the past, it's just not been a good day. Yeah, no. Fringe is not doing what it should do. Me and Simon had a lovely evening last night. Pickle, out of there. After we had our Wellington, which was lovely, we sat down and we finished watching some of our series. Kind of said it was nice because obviously being parents, we don't get time to sit down that much and have a chat face to face. Normally it's around Tobes, and believe me, there is no complaints when I say that, none at all. But it does just, sometimes it is nice to sit down and talk. Let's face it, that's why you got married. You got married to be with each other. So yeah, that was really, really lovely. Plan for today is I've got a couple of hours work to do this morning. Then me and Tobes are going round to Mum's to put up our Christmas tree. Sorry, that's Mum and Dad's. To put up their Christmas tree and just any decorations. And we're going to have party food and just have a festive day. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on my work this morning. Go and make a cup of tea as well. Yeah. Just fancy on this morning. I need to find my case for my camera. Oh, excuse me. I am tired this morning. So yeah, I'm doing that today. And then this evening, I think I'm going to clean up upstairs. So our room, our bathroom, our little hallway. Put on our festive bedding. And yeah, I'm going to do that. So I finish work for the year on Thursday next week, so the 19th. So I want to use the time after that to get the house clean, ready for Christmas. But yeah, obviously that anything that I can do on the run up will be helpful. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Hello. Right, work's done. Done for the week. My company, the people that I work with, they are out on their works day today. I get to spend time with my boy instead. I know which I prefer. Right, anyway. I was going to do this with Toby, but Toby has decided that this isn't something he wants to do. I am going to bake Nigella's sticky gingerbread. I've done this before. It is a really, really lovely lovely recipe. Yeah, it's just a really, really nice one. That's all I can say about it. It looks like that. It always goes down a treat. So I'm going to do this. It's quite a simple one to do as well. I am probably going to use my... Yeah, I'm going to use my KitchenAid, I think, as long as it all goes in, because I think this makes quite... If I remember rightly, it makes quite a big old mix. So it is butter, golden syrup, black treacle, muscovado sugar, ginger, both fresh and ground cinnamon, ground cloves, bicarb, milk, eggs, and flour. And it is kind of a bit of a just wing it. Not wing it, but you know how with Victoria sponge cakes, they can be quite temperamental. They're a bit like me. I'm temperamental. Yeah, it can be temperamental. They like what they like, and they won't accept anything less than perfection. Same with like souffles and stuff. I realise it's been a bit over dramatic with the sponge, but yeah, with this, the sugar, melt the butter over a low heat with the sugar, syrup, treacle, fresh and ground ginger, cinnamon and cloves. Cool. Yeah, this one is kind of a, you melt a lot of this together. Oh, come on. Then you can't get into your black treacle. Not without breaking a knife. There we go. Yeah, you throw it all in together and then, what? Okay, yeah. And I don't know how to explain it other than it's just, it can kind of hold up to even the most novice of bakers. Because I am definitely not a baker. I like baking, but I am not a baker. I have a feeling that's going to be the rest of that. Yeah, that is beautiful. And yeah, like I said, it's quite a strong old cake batter. Like when it comes to making it, so it's not as, you don't have to be as accurate as you are with others. This is something that I've learned. So your sugars, to an extent, it kind of doesn't matter which you have. So this is asking for dark muscovado sugar. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to order any, and I don't know, I think I must have thought we had some. But all that's gonna do, so the flavour's still gonna be there, the sugar's still gonna do the job that it needs to do, but it won't be as dark. That's not a problem. When you think you've got your black treacle in there, you're not going to notice the fact that you've used a lighter brown sugar or something like that. So that's fine. Right, so we've got the cinnamon, ginger, and cloves, and I've got cloves. Oh, I love ginger. Really do. Same with cinnamon. Oh, it's beautiful. Cloves. I would never, it's quite annoying actually, because I never normally get through that many of the ground cloves, so I must admit I normally have a lot of wastage from these. There we go. So there we go, all just mixed in together, and I'm not going to do anything with that right now. That is just going to be put on the stove as it is. There's nothing around the side, so it's not going to catch. I'm going to put that on the stove, and let's get doing the other bit.
you want to wear that
Here's a
hat?
picture of the old bird with a nice bit of meat.
Is that for Mummy? Oh, lovely. Thank you. Oh, darling. Oh, beautiful. This one's a little bit small. I don't know what's going on with this. Is this like a baby?
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down a bit. That's better. Wait,
It's cold in their house.
Here you go. Do you want to hold Nanny's reindeer for her?
Wait, do you want to
What What is it?
Oh, Santa hat as well. You won't be cold this year.
Love you.
Every time you put batteries in these, we put batteries in, and then at the end of the day, we take it back out again. And none of them get used.
Toby
Well,
plays with them.
The turkey gets used.
The turkey may get used, but it won't.
Get him in.
Toby plays with them.
Yeah, Toby does play with them.
Being mean, Grandad.
Yeah, let's get a screen.
Huh?